Today, we're unlocking the secrets of free text-to-video and image-to-video AI generators. Imagine conjuring stunning animations, breathing life into still images, all with just a few clicks. PromeAI, a powerful and versatile AI video generator, is available for free. It allows users to create animated videos with ease. These videos have all been created by PromeAI's text-to-video model, and look at the quality of these videos. With this tool, you can create eye-catching visuals and breathe life into videos. Content creators, designers, and AI enthusiasts will find it valuable. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use the text-to-video and image-to-video models by going to the PromeAI website, and it's completely free. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Text-to-video AI. To get started, first go to PromeAI website, sign up, create a free user account, and then log in. This is an all-in-one AI tool because it offers you a lot of tools like sketch rendering, image generation, creative fusion, image variations, photo to sketch, AI supermodel, text effects, and more. Since our current topic is on text-to-video and image-to-video tools, we will explore these only. As both these tools are currently in beta, we can use them unlimitedly. We'll first click on the text-to-video tool, and this interface will appear. Here you can see some videos that people have generated using this AI tool. Let me show you some of these videos by playing them so you can see what kind of results it provides. Just look at this, how detailed this video is. And also look at the motion, it looks really smooth. I have never seen such a good detailed video from any text-to-video model. You can see the results of these videos yourself, that this AI site is providing very amazing results. And if you want to generate this same video, you can click on this remix button and you will have the same prompt and all that stuff. But we will test it through our prompt by typing our text in the prompt bar. I already had this prompt, which I have pasted here. Now we will select the style of this video by clicking here below. You can see that there are 4 styles available: photography, conceptual art, illustration, and art. Now, if we look at them one by one, like we check photography, there are general, documentary, fashion, artistic photography, etc. styles. Similarly, in conceptual art, there are many different styles. In illustration, you will also find many styles, and there are some styles in art too. Now, first, we select one of the styles according to our prompt, like I have selected photography, general, commercial. Next, by clicking the scale button, we'll choose the desired aspect ratio for our video. I have selected 16:9 aspect ratio for our video. After that, you can now click on the motion button to select high or low motion level. Now you will click on the generate button, and it will start the video generation process. And in a few moments, it will generate the video for us according to our prompt. You can see that it has provided an amazing animated video as per our prompt. Similarly, you can try other styles according to your need. Click on this arrow icon above to download these videos. Step 2. Image to Video AI. Now we'll try the Image to Video tool. Click on the Image to Video button, and you will enter this page. In this section too, people have created many videos, some of which we'll play and watch. You can see that this tool is providing very good results in image to video as well. Look at the animation. It looks really very nice. Now, we'll upload an image we have and see what kind of result it gives us. Click this plus icon button and upload the image which we want to animate. After the image is uploaded, we'll select motion, high or low, and then click the generate button to start the processing. In a short while, your still photo will be in front of you in the form of an animated video. It is certainly a very impressive text-to-video and image-to-video AI website that provides excellent animation results. Finally, let me tell you that when you create a new account, you get 10 credits. And furthermore, you also get 10 credits for free every month. And if you want more free credits, then click on this gift icon, and here you will get 10 credits for every referral who signs up through your link. I hope you've learned new things from this video, If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.